Technology is always evolving, and today audiences are demanding more from their experiences. So what role is that playing? Today, we ask manufacturers and integrators how important experiential technology is becoming.
You know, a lot of what we're doing now, a lot of the phone calls we get is, can you do the audio for these exhibitions? And also, we're doing an awful lot with health and well-being in fitness centres now. It's everywhere. And we started the company 4 years ago because I had an inkling that this was going to be big, and it seems to be the thing now.
We're really keen at Holoviz not to let the products drive the solutions. So we keep our eyes open, we meet with the industry, and then we take that back and we think about the solutions that our customers are going to require and use the product that drives that. We are using a lot of LED now, more so than projection, but we don't let the product drive the experience for the customer.
Well, entertainment has always been about experiences, always. But I see a couple of things that have really changed, and it has an impact on barcode technology as well. First thing I would like to highlight is becoming much more immersive. Like immersive meaning larger displays, whether it's projection, LED or other technologies, becomes larger. The second thing is to really immerse people for the story, they are getting much closer to the screen, much closer. So technology needs to adapt to that, right? It cannot be too warm. You have to see it from all angles. You need to be able to touch it. So that has big influence on what we as a technology provider want to specify in those systems.
Well, the crowd changed. People expect way more from an experience than we had in the past. So we are spoiled by their own smartphones and being at home in virtual world. So we need to think differently, And I'm from the projection business. And today, if you think of an event and make it really immersive, you talk with a lot of projectors, you specify them, you let people get to a different world. And that's what AV is all about.
Well, my talk is about sound, immersive sound. We consider that the immersive sound can really bring a new experience, a new comfort for every people in those places. So it's very important, and that's why we consider that also the small places like bars, like small theaters, nightclub, can have access to this technology through a free software we have offer online on our website, because we think that all the artists, the sound engineer, must be able to handle this technology without a budget problem. That's our vision, so we push that by passion and not by economical reason.
Yeah, the great experience is that people would like to be engaged. The new shoppers, you have two types of shoppers. The one that want to get in and get out, which is want to be as fast as possible, and then you want to have the one that would like to be entertained or would like to be engaged and have an experience and make it worth for them to stay in the stores for a longer period of time. And that's where the content comes in. And it's important that you have the content that targets them, because if you have content for the gender, you have content for what people behave, then you can attract them in a certain way and make them move the way that you would like to, or how the customer would want them to, if they want them to stay and then absorb the content.
So with our product line that we have at the moment, we can do various different applications, be it leisure and tourism or entertainment. So if you look at entertainment like Futuroscope, we've recently done an immersive 360-degree screen, which was the need for a curved screen around the viewers, which provided a storm chaser where you're chasing a tornado in an environment which looks so realistic and really draws the viewers in.
Well, we're a touchscreen manufacturer, and for instance, a good example is gamifying a game. So for TrackMan, they make golf simulators and golf tracking radars, and what they used to have is an application that you can monitor on your on your cell phone how your actual stroke went. And we are making them giant Android tablets, like 32 inches, and you can actually set your target on the range on the Android tablet and follow your strokes there. And it's adding more depth into the gaming experience.